Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to work on very simple and easy pattern. Only 2 row repeat. The yarn I used was that one, but I make it in double because the result is better. For this pattern we need to have multiple of 4 plus 1, and we can use any kind of rib for beginning or without, but let me just show you how can I make this rib. I start by just pull one, and when it comes in the knitting stitch I insert my hook here and then do the yarn like that, and I repeat these ribs. You can use the rib for this pattern if you want to use it for cardigans or sweater, but if you want to use it for a scarf, you can start the pattern without any ribs. Let me finish that row and we are going to start the pattern. It's really easy and fast to knit. I already used this pattern for my scarf. I'm going to show you the sample later at the end of the video. Okay, now we are going to start the pattern. Just take the first one out and then knit 3 stitch. Bring your yarn in front, then slip stitch the next one and repeat like that. Knit 3, bring the yarn in front and slip stitch. We repeat until the end of the row like that. This is the row 1 for this pattern. Any even odd row we are going to repeat that, and even row I'm going to show you what to do. This is the first row. Second row, I told you all of even rows like 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, you have to take the first one out, knit 1 stitch, then bring your yarn in front and slip stitch. Now repeat by knit 3, slip stitch, knit 3 again, slip stitch, and we keep continue until the end of the row. As I told you, all odd rows should be like first row 1, and all even rows should knit like that. What you have to do, slip stitch at the end. You are going to have 2 left. One is going to be knit and the edge stitch. That's all. If you repeat these 2 rows, you are going to have this pattern. After a few rows, your pattern should look like that. But the tips here, if you if you can see this one, this stitch like a knitted one, always you have to make two knit besides this one and this one, and then in the middle like that it should be the one, the sleeve you have to, the stitch you have to slip it. This is the key if you forgot which row you have to start. If you can see here, this is the row, like an out row, row number 1. This is 3 knit, 1 slip stitch, 3 knit, 1 slip stitch. When it comes to the another row, it should like that one. But the key, as I told you, always consider this one in the middle. It has to be in the middle of the 3 knit we have like that. For example, this is 3 knit, and this stitch it was in the middle. As I told you, I use this pattern for my scarf like that, and at the end I also use another decorate with crochet, but I use this pattern for my scarf. You can see this is really nice. You can use for any kind of project, and I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.